doctor. I know you want an appliance repairman, but I was wondering if you could check out my refrigerator. Again? What are you saying? You want me to shoot it?
You gotta put it down.
Hello, my refrigerator's broken.
Wow, Frosty, you have lots of expensive food in your fridge. It looks like it is all organic. I hope you don't lose all that expensive food you have in your fridge. You know, you might want to make your life simple. Maybe you should get rid of it. For many years in the old days, people didn't have fridges. You might just buy yourself a truckload of MREs and do without a fridge.
Maybe. Hello, my refrigerator's not working.
I'm sorry to hear about your fridge troubles. Myself, I would recommend a fancy French door fridge, the kind with the big computer screen on the front that lets you see inside without opening the door. Also, if you get grounded from your regular phone, you can simply use the fridge to access social media on the internet. And get this, the fridge comes with an app that lets you open the door. All you have to do is enter your user ID and password with a security code and the door will open. Of course, if you forget your user ID or passcode and security code, you might not be able to eat before leaving for work in the morning, but hey, most of us eat too much, so that might be a good thing. Also, since breaking and entering for purposes of seeking shelter has been legalized in some states, some state legislatures have decided that it is okay for people to break in to obtain shelter. It is only compassionate to allow them to help themselves to whatever is in the fridge. As maybe you can imagine, a fridge with a password-protected door app can keep your food secure. However, some states want to be able to override the door app and control access to your fridge in emergency situations. So there you have it. I would recommend that you get a second mortgage on your house and buy one of those fancy and pretty French door fridges with a huge computer screen.
It sounds kind of complicated, but I'll think about it.
Frosty, you should really stay away from those fancy French door fridges. I had one, and it stopped cooling after only 6 years. And I tried to find a repairman, and all they said is they don't work on those French door fridges. Finally, I found someone, and he said it was a sealed system problem. And I thought, well, it's really nice that that fridge has a 10-year warranty. Unfortunately, the repairman said the warranty only covers some parts and doesn't include labor. It's hard to find someone to replace the compressor, and it would cost about $1,500 to get someone out here from the big city. So I ended up committing the fridge to eternal condemnation and sending it to a scrap yard.
Well, that makes my decisions clear on the French door fridges. Hi, my refrigerator's broken.
Hi, Frosty. I have been studying law, and I think you should hire an attorney and sue the warm air for ejectment based on the legal theory of trespass. The warm air is trespassing, and a lawsuit for ejectment can force the warm air to leave your fridge. Of course, it may take a couple of years for the lawsuit to conclude, but that is not what is really important. What is really important is that you provide hours of work for an attorney over an extended period of time. Of course, you'd want to find a top lawyer because the warm air just might countersue you on the basis of adverse possession.
Great. My refrigerator is not working.
Maybe you should plug it in.
Say it into the microphone, Faisal.
You should plug it in.
Or show everyone the